In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this AE-like pop-out effect for edits in Filmora. So let's get started. Alright guys, first you need to set up your clips, like adding speed graphs and zooms. Then you need to mark the points that you need to add the pop-out effect, so you can do it easily according to your audio beat. Alright, after that, select your clip and make a duplicate. Then go to the beginning of the clips and add a freeze frame like this. So then we need to do the mask, so here I select the first part, go to the mask, then you can select the pen tool, or AI mask. Then draw the mask like this. Alright, then I select the second part, and I mask this head part like this. Then adjust the layers. Next, we need to make the pop-out effect, so select the layer and create a keyframe on position and scale. Then go to the beginning and change the position and scale, like this. Then open the key graph and adjust the graphs like this. So then let's add this pop-out effect to the second part. So you can simply take a copy of these keyframes, then paste it on the second part like this. Also, let's readjust the position of this part, so I select the first key and adjust the position like this. After that, bring this first part to the top. So next, let's add the white flash effect to this. So first, add a white solid layer and adjust the scale. Then change this white solid layer to a compound clip. Alright, then we need to copy the effects on this layer to the solid layer. So you can do it by selecting the layer and taking a copy of the effects on that layer. Then select the solid layer and paste the effects like this. Then you can take a duplicate for the second part. Then remove the effect on this layer. Then, like before, copy-paste the effect on this layer. Alright, then we need to add a fade-out effect to this, so I make it using this opacity setting, like this. Okay, now we complete the main part, so finally let's add the shake effect to this. So first, let's add an adjustment layer. So then go to the effects, select Open Effects and search Shake. Select S-Shake and apply it to the layer. In the settings, create a keyframe on amplitude with a value of 1. Also, keep the frequency to 8. Then go to the start and change this to 0. Then go to the point that you want to end and change it back to 0. Then open the key graph and adjust the graph like this.
Also, in the shake settings, select the tilt shake and change this value to 2.
So like that, we add the shake effect. Also, you can add an effect similar to a Twitch shake effect. For that, you can add another shake effect to the layer. In the settings, select the new shake effect and change the type to Twitch. Then you can make the Twitch shake like this. And that's pretty much it. So guys, that's how you can make an AE-like pop-out effect in Filmora. You can download the complete project file in my Discord, so thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.